Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we're diving into something super exciting. OpenAI just released Codex. Let's have a fun chat about it. With me are Manuel, Frederick, and Diana. How are you all doing today?
Hey Alice, I'm doing great, thanks. Super pumped to talk about Codex. I mean, AI, that can write code? That's like magic for us tech enthusiasts, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Hi, everyone. Codex is fascinating from a scientific standpoint, too. I mean, it's like giving AI a new language to communicate in, right?
Hello, everyone. From a research perspective, Codex is a significant leap. It really changes how we think about AI's interaction with tasks like programming. What are your thoughts, Alice?
It's just incredible stuff, right? I love that it's not just about creating code, but also understanding it. So, Manuel, what's the first thing that popped into your head when you heard about Codex?
Honestly, I was like, will Codex put me out of a job? But on a serious note, I think it's going to be a massive help in debugging and those tedious coding tasks.
Exactly, Manuel. And from a scientific perspective, it's like watching evolution happen in AI. The ability to understand context in code is a big leap forward.
That's true, Frederick. And, the way Codex can generalize from examples is quite impressive. It opens up new possibilities for automating tasks that require human-like understanding.
Right, and Diana, you've done a lot of AI research. How do you think Codex will impact future AI developments?
Well, Alice, I think it's going to set a precedent for AI systems that can perform complex tasks by understanding the context. It's more than just a tool. It's a step towards more autonomous systems.
And, it's kind of funny to think that soon, I might be better at coding than some of us. But seriously, it's also a great way to learn new programming languages.
That's an interesting point, Manuel. It might even change how we approach teaching coding. Imagine using Codex as an assistant in computer science classes. The possibilities are endless.
Absolutely, Frederick. And I love the idea of using AI to make learning more accessible. Tell me, Diana, do you see any challenges with integrating something like Codex into everyday programming tasks?
Certainly, there are challenges. One major concern is ensuring the code generated is not only correct but also secure. We need rigorous testing and validation processes.
Yeah, security is always a biggie. I mean, you wouldn't want Codex to, accidentally create a bug that crashes the system or something.
Exactly, Manuel. And there's also the ethical side of things, like how do we ensure Codex isn't used for malicious purposes? That's another layer we need to think about.
True, ethics and security are definitely crucial. So as we wrap up, let's each share a final thought. Manuel?
I guess my final thought is that, while Codex is super exciting, we should keep an eye on how it's used, and make sure it complements human creativity rather than replaces it.
Well said, Manuel. For me, Codex represents a bridge to future AI capabilities. It's like the beginning of a new era in AI-assisted programming.
I agree with both of you. It's an exciting time for AI, but we must remain vigilant about the implications. Codex is just the beginning, and we have a lot more to explore.
Thanks, everyone. This was such an insightful discussion. I can't wait to see what the future holds with Codex and beyond. Until next time.